वेलकम फ्रेंड्स, पंडित टू पंडित इन्वेस्ट यूट्यूब चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। आप देख रहे हैं पंडित इन्वेस्ट। और निफ्टी ने 17,100 का लेवल पार कर गया, जो हमारा टारगेट था 17,114। एंड निफ्टी डिड आवर टारगेट 17,114 एंड हाई मेड वाज 17,153। तो निफ्टी 17,100 पार हो गया। अब क्या करें या क्या करना है, इसका रणनीति हम बनाएंगे कल के लिए। और जैसे आप देखें, निफ्टी वेंट टू 116 पॉइंट अप टुडे, बट बैंक निफ्टी नॉट मूव्ड, स्टिल स्लीपिंग एंड ओनली मूव ओनली 77 पॉइंट प्लस। बैंक निफ्टी ने आज परफॉर्मेंस नहीं किया, एक रेंज बाउंड में रहा। और जैसे निफ्टी ने 216 पॉइंट की रैली दिखाई और 2 दिन के अंदर 500 पॉइंट के ऊपर निफ्टी में रैली हम देखने को मिला। लेकिन बैंक निफ्टी जो कुंभकर्ण है हमारा, अभी तक सोया हुआ है। जब तक ये जागेगा नहीं, तब तक हम बैंक निफ्टी में मूवमेंट नहीं देख सकते हैं। और जब ये चलेगा बैंक निफ्टी, तो फिर निफ्टी का कहाँ जाएगा निफ्टी, आप सोच सकते हैं। तो चलिए इसके बारे में करें कि व्हाट बैंक निफ्टी ट्रेडर्स डू नाउ as Nifty went 500 points in last 2 trading sessions. Then will Bank Nifty what to do? So this is a very important video sessions, so keep watching it, and please like the YouTube channel and also subscribe the Pandit Invest Telegram channel. So first chart, this is the chart of Nelco. Yesterday I have given it the buy call on Nelco and it went 5% up. So hope you have taken this stock and the target given yesterday. Those who have missed the video, please see the yesterday video. I have already given to recommend to buy Nelco. It is a Tata Group company and it is a very good stock for short term and also for medium and long term purpose. This stock should be in your portfolio. So for target, please watch the previous video. So now we will discuss about the Nifty, what a rally it was. So congratulations all of you that Nifty made the target 17,114, what we have discussed on Saturday in live video, and Nifty did our target. Now what will happen from here? Will Nifty move further up or uptrend is over? As you can see, RSI at near 91, so till 99 it can went up. Then the further possibility can be there. We can see a gap of opening tomorrow itself. कल हम दे सकते हैं गैप ऑफ ओपनिंग। अगर 17,175 या 180 को लेवल अगर होल्ड नहीं कर पाए, तो हम फिर एक प्रॉफिट बुकिंग देख सकते हैं निफ्टी में। और कल एक 1 सितंबर है, सेबी न्यू मार्जिन रूल लागू होगा, जहाँ 100% पिक मार्जिन लगेगा और आपको कोई मार्जिन नहीं मिलेगा जो लिवरेज में ट्रेड करते हैं इंट्राडे ट्रेडर्स। सो फर्स्ट टुमारो इज 1 सितंबर एंड सेबी विल impose big margin tomorrow, so you will not get any margin from broker in leverage basis what they have provided previously 10x, 20x, 40x. So you have to trade with your own capital. So for that reason can be a profit booking Nifty tomorrow, and Nifty can open a gap up tomorrow itself because it's closed near the high. High was 17,153. So we can see 17,170 to 17,190 levels on Nifty tomorrow. Even it can touch 17,240 on the higher level, because and then we can see a profit booking, because RSI we know can see that it already touched 91 levels. So maximum 9 points space is there, and then it can come down. So put call ratio is also high, so be cautious on higher level. Every dip should be buy. Now where to be buy, where is the support, we will discuss today. Now support is this range 17,050 or 60 levels. If you get during intraday and buy this level with a stop of 1720, 30 points margin, and the target will be 17,200 level on the upper side. And if this level break, the next support, it will be this way, 17,000 itself, and I don't think it will break, and even if break can go 20 points down, that is this at 16,982. Let this can be the important support level, and below it can see a breakdown. So 16,000, let me mark 16,980. My handwriting is very poor, and this is the support level. And if see any bearish candle here, then we can see a breakdown, and it can touch this level. This can fill this this gap. So 16,950 to 16,700 can be the possibility if break only this level 16,980. And on another side, on upper hand, 17,170 to 90 will be the resistance zone for tomorrow in Nifty. And if this level crossed, taken out, then 17,200 to 17,240 will be the next resistance zone. So keep in mind in this level. So only short below 16,980, this level, and you can buy here this level with a stop of 16,950, only 30 points margin for intraday traders. And first level will be 17,050 levels. So if you get 17,050 intraday, then buy with 17,050 20 stop. This is will be the buy zone. Stop will be 17,020. So buy this level with stop 17,020, target will be 17,170 to 90, and then 17,240 during intraday. And on closing basis, if close below 16,980, then go short for target of 16,800 level on the downside. And even if break this level, then we can see 16,650 level on the downside. So this can be the possibility for tomorrow, because tomorrow is the SEBI rules will applicable. So be cautious on high level. And as you can see, RSI went up 91 level. So we can see correction or profit booking tomorrow itself. So now we will discuss about the Bank Nifty, what Bank Nifty traders will do. As you can see in the previous, I given the target resistance level. It cross all this resistance we have discussed here, and you can see cross all this resistance point, but hurdle now it गियर यहाँ गियर में फंस गया है 36,465 level. I mentioned on last live telecast Saturday. So until unless 36,560 taken out, Bank Nifty will not move. So remember the point, 36,560, this point level to be clear, then we can see up bullet upside till 37,000 level in Bank Nifty. Now if break this level 36,200, then we can see fall till 36,000 level on the downside, and closing below 36,000, then we might see this level 35,800 where it was the previous resistance. So good, this is a good level to buy, entry point on the downside if you get tomorrow or on expiry day, and the target will be if 37,000 in the next week, maybe if cross only this level. So bank nifty traders, do not frustrate, keep watching the level to cross 36,560, and if close this level 15 minutes, then go long for target of 37,000 minimum. And if trade below 36,200, then go short with a stop of 100 points, 150 points upside, that is 36,450, and the target will be 35,800 on the downside. So 36 to 35,800 will be the range we can bank nifty can take support, and that will be also entry point for short term for target of 37,000 on the upside. And if close below in case 35,800, then we again might see 35,400 on the downside, and in extreme case. So this can be the possibility for bank nifty for tomorrow. So buy on dip in bank nifty and sell on rise in nifty, that is still intact. So in nifty 17,170 to 17,240 is the critical resistance zones, and support zone is 17,050 to 16,900, and in bank nifty unless 36,550 not cross, you will not able to see upside rally. So if cross only this rally, then you go long or buy option 37,000 call, this 30th September call, you can get the good benefit or good target on the upside. So please like this channel, those who are new viewers, and also subscribe Telegram channel, that is Pandit Invest. So I have give all the update on Telegram channel. So this is all for you today. So hope for a good profit for tomorrow. Kindly like the channel. Thank you for watching it.